So in this apartments.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find apartments for rent here on apartments.com. So once you open up apartments.com, what I want you to do is right on the main screen right here, I just want to type in your location. So for this demonstration, I'll just type in Toronto, Ontario, and then I'll go ahead here and press on the search bar. Once you're here, it's going to show you the region that you're looking for. Now, if you want to find apartments specifically, make sure that at the top right here, where it says all filters, just go ahead and press on that. Then if you scroll down to where it says home type, make sure that apartments is selected and then press on see results. Now, once you're here, all you're going to be seeing is different apartments that are for rent. So if you go to the right hand side of your screen, there's a bunch of different buildings that have apartments for rent that you can kind of go through. You can also kind of check the area if you want in regards to the apartments that are being listed here on apartments.com. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find apartments for rent here on apartments.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.